God damn it.
Can I try and get him away? Here.
He got our garage door open. Get out! Oh my God. He doesn't give a shit.
Can I throw a pot at him?
No. What the hell?
What the hell?
He's gonna get in the...
Get out! God! This damn
Oh
bear
my
is just
God.
like a...
Fucking hell.
Doesn't even give a shit that he's right here.
God.